In this video, I'll show you how to get more money fast in My Perfect Hotel. The first way is to upgrade your rooms and services as soon as possible. Guests pay more for higher quality, so focus on reception bathrooms and beds to maximize income. Next, always hire staff and automate tasks when you can. The more workers you have, the faster your hotel runs. And that means more guests, more tips, and more money. Another tip, don't let long lines form at reception. Keep it upgraded so check-ins are faster and guests don't leave before paying. Finally, reinvest your earnings into expanded new floors and facilities. The bigger your hotel, the higher your revenue potential. By combining upgrades, automation, and smart expansion, you'll earn money much faster at My Perfect Hotel. So, are you going to focus on upgrades first or staff hiring? And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.